My name is Simon Landry. I'm the Director of Operation and Technology at clicknpark. clicknpark is an application to peer people who need parking spots with people who own them through our peer-to-peer app, and we also offer some commercial parking management services. We have currently a team of roughly 40 people, mostly based out of Montreal, but we also have offices in Quebec, Toronto, Calgary, and Vancouver. We first started to think about Zoho Creator when we were looking for an application for our field agents to do inspections of parking lots, and we wanted a simple app that they could be using every single day to do their inspections. Before having the inspection app, our agents had to write some reports on Slack, which became, with the volume, a bit tedious for them, and it was as well error prone. So this is why we needed an app to do this seamlessly and with a consistent result. The application we built using Zoho Creator is a portal for site inspectors to do inspections of parking locations. So when they start their day, they know exactly which parking spots they have to inspect, and when they are on site, they can check every box they have to fill for the inspection. So they'll look at the terminals, they'll look at the paper levels, they'll look at the cleanness of the site, they look at the office, and they have some information to fill out. For one, they would enter the number of spots, the number of cars that they see in each location. Most often, they will count the number of cars on each floor. This is giving us some important feedback for analysis afterwards. They will also check that everything is proper with a checklist. Once the inspection is done, they will click confirm, and once it is confirmed, it's all automatically converted into a PDF and it's sent out to the client. So they know that we've inspected the lot and that we know everything is good. If there is some problems with the inspection, our operation teams already know and they are on their way to fix it.
clicknpark has been a client with us for a couple of years. We already trained them and implemented a lot of Zoho products with them. It's when they came with that specific inspection process that we decided to go for a custom solution with Zoho Creator because we just couldn't find any other application that could really fit this requirement. So that's when we built the solution on Zoho Creator.
Inside the inspection tool, the operation manager can schedule inspections for their operators. They can do this either once or repetitively. We mostly use it for weekly visits. Every parking has its own needs, so we had to build a customizable questionnaire that would be tailored to the specific requirements of the parking lot. It involves checkboxes, photos, text fields, and signature. With the automated Zoho Creator app, we have been able to take a process that took a human 5 to 10 hours a week into something that is now automatic, and it gives instant report to the client. Automating this process was an important part for us to enable us to grow as we expect to. So this app can let us grow our number of site and inspection with their automated workflows without any problems. The Zoho Creator app allowed us to build a better credibility and reinforce our commitment to good quality service to the client, which is one of our core values. We do plan to leverage this app in all of our field operations, so for all of our parking locations, and we are also planning to develop more features that would integrate that app with the other services that we have, especially in the Zoho ecosystem.